I wish I could capture that smell.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yeah. Looks
Listen
amazing.
to the sizzle.
So I'm very excited. I have my friend Camelia here with me. She was actually one of the first people who kind of encouraged me to restart my blog and vlog here. In conversation with Camelia. So hi Cam, so happy to have you here finally. Missed you during Christmas, New Year's here, and I was just wondering how your trip to Korea went. How was it?
Oh, it was really good. We went during Christmas, during winter, peak winter of South Korea.
Must have been cold, right?
It was really cold. It was like minus 8 to 8. And we were fortunate enough to be able to see snow on the last day.
Oh, no,
So it was
nice.
just me and my friend. We went because we wanted to celebrate my friend's 40th birthday in January.
Ah,
So that's
nice.
the reason why. And we just spoke about it in September of last year, made the booking, and then decided just to fly out in December.
That's awesome. Some people told me Seoul is very soulless.
So it's very lively. It's
Yeah.
really, really nice. We were there for about 9 days. We thought it was going to be too long. There's nothing to do there, but it's actually not enough.
Yeah.
There's actually a lot of things to see in Korea, from the museums to the food that they have to the shopping. So it's like every day is packed with a lot of stuff. Of course, we couldn't do a lot of stuff there because of the temperature being so cold. Every
Yeah.
time you get out of the house, it's like you want to immediately go to your destination because it's just freezing outside.
Yeah.
You only want to just get to your destination and then get into the warmness of
Yeah.
the place.
Yeah. 3 highlights. I always ask that,
Highlights. Of course, us being foodie, one of the highlights was definitely the market. One of the markets.
Yeah.
They have so many different local markets that they go to.
Right.
And you have all these kiosks where you can
Yeah.
have all your fish cakes,
Yeah.
tteokbokki, those rice cakes that you actually
Yeah,
have. Like a deep fried pancake. Deep fried pancake. They call pajon or something.
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
It's with spring onion and you can actually put seafood on it.
Yeah,
So they'll deep fry it, cut it, and then they'll give you like hot soup for you to be able to enjoy it.
Oh, awesome. What
Oh, and
else?
we had hot dog also. Hot dog is like it's like a dessert, maida dessert, where you
Okay.
have actually fillings inside. They fry it also, and you can either have the fillings to be something sweet or not savory. It's like
Like a pancake?
it's a pancake, but the inside is like vegetable and noodles inside. So you can have
Okay.
actually 2 options. Both
Interesting.
of it was just really
Yummy. What did you pick up or shop from there?
skincare.
Yeah.
Skincare. Korea is like they're definitely on another level. They're in year 2015 when it comes to all their
Yeah.
products.
So what
this
kind?
time I was being a bit aware. Like I shouldn't buy only face products. We tried going to like places where you have for
Okay.
hair loss because I'm suffering, I'm going through this hair loss issue. But whenever I start washing my hair or whenever
me
I walk,
too.
you can actually feel, you can
Yeah,
actually see all the hair.
Same.
So there are like some tonics or some treatments that they actually sell for you to reduce the hair loss. But I haven't seen it yet. Let's see. It's been only like
Your hair
3
looks
weeks.
great.
It's because of blow drying.
I think the blow drying leads to more hair loss. No, right?
I only wash my hair like 2 times a week, so I think
That's a
yeah.
great idea.
But they tell you that you shouldn't wash your hair every day. So what I do is 2 times a week that I wash, I will put products or put treatments on it and then just dry my hair also 2 times.
Good idea.
So at least it's I don't know, it reduces the
Actually, it's a
heat
good
in
idea.
my hair. Went to a museum. So Seoul, the National Museum of Seoul, it's actually really fun. It's it's top 10 of the most visited museum.
Why was it fun?
The one thing that I like about that place is they have this room where you have this digital art exhibition. So they display their art in the form of all your in a projector, and then they would have incorporated music, like those local music, just for you to be able to really enjoy the art that you're actually watching. So we really actually enjoy that, because for me specifically, I can't really understand art. I mean, I don't know how to
I understand.
appreciate, like how somebody will look at a Picasso. I probably wouldn't understand how to look at it, but at least if it's like digitally displayed, I can enjoy different aspects of it, like the music it plays, and then what we're looking at. So to me, it's more fun that way for people like me who doesn't really.
Is art to be understood or to be felt?
I don't know. For me, I feel that art should be. I mean, there's always like a purpose for an artist to actually draw something. So they always want to tell their story in their own way by drawing it or
Yeah.
so to me it's like in a way you should be able to understand what the artist is trying to portray in whatever that they're drawing. Feelings, I guess it's just different people have different ways of understanding it
and interpreting.
Yeah. From what I understand is I always feel like if an artist draws, it's just that they wanna send across a message on what the art is or what he's drawing.
Do a cooking session. What do you want to cook today?
I think since I've been to South Korea, maybe we can incorporate some ingredients from there and have our chicken marinated something with the gochujang or kimchi.
Okay,
I think
let's try that.
Let's go. 500 grams of raw chicken wings. I think it's about 7 pieces here.
Okay.
Today we are going to marinate it the South Korean way with air fryer. It's a simple recipe. Simple ingredients like gochujang, the Korean chili paste.
Okay.
Then you have garlic, soy sauce, and some oil just to blend it in.
So we marinate it for how long?
We'll marinate it today. Actually, it's best to marinate it 24 hours, but we can do for 30 minutes for now, and then we can start putting it in the air fryer.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, so I'm just giving so maybe 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, and this is about 4 cloves.
Nice nail.
Thank you. 4 cloves of garlic. Just put everything in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will this be too spicy for the kids?
So in gochujang paste, you actually have levels of how spicy it is.
This one doesn't.
This one probably classic. I don't think it will be too spicy if you don't put too much. Of course, with your taste level, if you want it to be more spicy, you can put some more. But we'll just go with this.
We are having this now.
Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Just gonna use this. Okay. Now just a bit of sesame oil to my hands.
Yeah.
Go all in. Maybe 1 tablespoon will be enough. And we'll just let it sit for a bit.
Does this paste have salt already in it?
It doesn't have salt, but the
soy
sauce will probably have a little bit. We can add it some more.
So how do we use this?
So this is the knob for you to set your temperature. So for chicken, it's really 180 Celsius. We'll cook it for 17 to 24 minutes.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna cook it for about 17 to 20 minutes. I'll just put up until 20, and in 15 minutes we'll put it in, and we'll just adjust the timing.
So this is preheating.
Yeah.
We're trying one batch first.
4 pieces.
I wish I could capture that smell.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yeah. Looks
Listen to
amazing.
the sizzle.
Sizzle. Okay, let's finish this up.
Look at this.
Good, right?
I'm not one to compliment my
Hey,
own
but it's
ingredients.
really nice. I love it. But I think we can do more spicy.
It's definitely suitable for kids.
Suitable for kids,
It's
yeah?
not that spicy.
It's not, yeah.